Okay, I have a high security cylinder out of a Mortice type lock. Has 6 pins. There are security pins in it. The lock works smooth and easy. This is the bitting on the key. This is a restricted keyway and a restricted key. Do not duplicate. It's from Southampton, Connecticut. V7078 on the key. Let's see if we can get it open today. We're going to try to use top of the keyway. We're going to use this pick, a little bit deeper set pick. See if we can get in the top. Okay, there we go. Let's go all the way to the back. I felt like we might have set pin 6. Move very little. So work our way to the front, nice and slow. Don't want to miss a pin. Okay, we got some feedback. I believe that's number 3. Okay, we got a little bit of false set out of it then. Okay, number 1's giving us a little feedback. Okay, let's go back to the back again. Okay, there's number 4. Okay, it's set. Okay, there's number 2 again. I think all we like is number 1 now, setting number 1 completely. We can get the pin to set. Okay, pin set, so it's got to be one other that we've missed. Okay, felt like number 5. Number 2 again. Now, we still don't have number 1 set. See if we can try a different pick. Okay, there it is, open. Alright, let's gut it. See what we have in it. Okay, let's see if we can get this clip off. Let's lock it back up so it won't be turning. Okay, it's not going to cooperate with me, so we'll go ahead and do it the other way. Okay, that is a serrated pin. Another serrated pin. Okay, they all fell out. Spool, spool, spring, another spool, another spool. Okay, that's the bottom pin that come out of the plug. Alright, let's take all the other pins out we can. One of the pins is hung. Okay. Anyway, please stay safe. Do not do anything illegal. Stay out of trouble. And thank you for your time. But we've got a, looks like a serrated, a spool, a spool, a spool. And I have another spool hung up inside. Looks like there was two spools in one of the chambers that someone had put in there. So I will see you later. Thank you for your time. Goodbye. Okay, I'm back. I got that spool out. Someone has serrated pins in the bottom and had 6 spools in the top, but these are all serrated pins on the bottom pins. Serrated here, 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 and here, and here, and in 6 spools. Thank you. We'll see you next time.